Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious Mexican shrimp quesadillas. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 1 pound of fresh shrimp, peeled and deveined, along with 1/4 cup of chopped onion and 2 cloves of minced garlic. Don't forget 8 ounces of shredded Monterey Jack cheese and 8 small flour tortillas, roughly 6 inches in diameter. A little olive oil and your favorite seasonings will complete your prep for this tasty meal. Now, let's cook our shrimp filling. Heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a large skillet over medium heat. Add the chopped onion and minced garlic, sautéing for about 2 minutes until fragrant. Next, add your prepared shrimp to the skillet. Cook for 3 to 5 minutes, or until they turn pink and opaque. Season with 1/2 teaspoon of chili powder and salt to taste for a burst of flavor. It's time to assemble your quesadillas. Lay 1 flour tortilla flat on a clean surface. Sprinkle about 1/4 cup of shredded Monterey Jack cheese evenly over 1/2 of the tortilla. Then, spoon a generous amount of your delicious cooked shrimp mixture onto the cheese. Carefully fold the other half of the tortilla over the filling, creating a perfect half-moon shape. Repeat this process for all your quesadillas. Finally, let's cook and serve these beauties. Heat a lightly oiled skillet or griddle over medium heat. Place a quesadilla in the pan and cook for 2 to 3 minutes per side until it's golden brown and crispy. You'll know it's ready when the cheese is perfectly melted and bubbly inside. Slice your quesadillas into wedges and serve them immediately with your favorite toppings like salsa, guacamole, or a dollop of sour cream. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.